So the next section is going to be the search. So we have two types of searches in ServiceNow. First one is going to be table search, or you can call it as a list search. Okay, and the another one is we are going to call it as a global search. Okay, imagine that a customer comes up to you and says that, hey, fine, I need to filter a specific record, saying that I need to search for this incident number. Okay, so what exactly you are going to do? You are going to copy this number, and then you are going, as you know, by number, you can see the ticket number, you can see INC. That means that this belongs to the incident. So you can able to go here, type incidents, and go all, and can able to search for that specific incident from here. Sorry. Okay, now you can see that, hey, that there is no records with that specific number. And then if you want to search with the active record which is available, you can able to come here and you can able to say like this. Sorry.
Can we search the incident number in the banner search?
That's what I was talking about. One moment on.
Oh, okay. Okay. No, I'm just curious.
Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. So this type of search is called a list search or a table search, because you know the table existed, that record existed in that specific table. And let me just understand, help you out in this format. So imagine that this is going to be your ServiceNow. Okay, and these are the tables available in ServiceNow. Okay, there are thousands of tables available in ServiceNow, and one of them are going to be users, tasks, groups, roles, SC_tasks, and then incidents, problems, change, and multiple. Okay, so imagine that if you want to search for this specific record. Okay, now you know that this is an incident record. So what exactly I'm going to do? I'm going to directly go on to the table of incident, and I can able to search directly. Okay, that means that I'm not querying the entire database. So imagine that this is an entire database of ServiceNow with all of the tables. So I'm not going to do for an overall search. I'm just doing the table search, which is I'm going to the table and I'm going to provide the number, and automatically that number is going, that record is going to be reflected to me. Okay, that means that I'm doing straightforward search. But what if you don't know what kind of record that is, or you want to query each and every table in ServiceNow? In that kind of scenarios, instead of querying the one table, you need to query the database. Okay, so you need to query the users, the tasks, the incidents, the roles, the SC_task, the groups, and each and every table which is available in ServiceNow. In those kind of scenarios, you can able to come over here and search for the specific record. And if it is an exact match, you will be redirected with specific record directly. Okay, like you can see, this is an exact match, and you will be redirected to a specific record. Okay, and imagine that the record is missing one specific letter. Okay, if I'm going to search it now, it is not an exact match. Let's see where exactly this record will be searched, or this incident or this number is going to search. It has been searched in an incident table, changes, the change tasks, the problems, requests, catalog tasks, and business rules, and multiple tables in ServiceNow. Okay, now I can see there are 0 records which have been found. Okay, that means that this record is been searched in these specific tables, And you can able to search with the names as well, saying that imagine that if I want to search for myself, now you can see there is one result found for my specific record, and that is available in the users because my user profile is Muhammad. Okay, if I'm going to search with Abraham, same goes with Abraham because he has an Abraham Lincoln account. Okay, so most of the times we are going to use the global search instead of the list or the table search, because if you want to go for table search, you have to go on the incident tables and then search with all and then provide your number. Instead, you can directly go here, type it, and you will be redirected automatically. Okay, so that's the beauty of the global search, and we are going to use it all the time. Okay, so that's the difference between a table search and a global search. Any questions, guys? Jay, Iqbal, any questions?
No, it can't.
No, I'm actually good. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's proceed further and connect. So imagine that if you want to connect with any other individual, saying that imagine that your company is not using any third party tool to interact with users. Okay, so they don't have the Skype, they don't have the Teams, or they don't have any messengers. And the management says that, hey, if you want to interact with other users, interact with ServiceNow. And you might ask, is it possible that we can able to interact with other users in ServiceNow? Yes, that is possible. Okay, so we have an internal messenger in ServiceNow which you can able to use to have a conversation with other individuals who are using the platform. Okay, imagine that if I want to have a conversation with a Joe employee, so I can click over here, click on the plus icon, and then you have to add the user. So I'm going to say Joe employee. Okay, I'm going to say hi Joe. Any update on this incident? I'm going to click it. Please let me know if you have solved the issue. Regards, Irfan. Okay, so I have sent him a message. So what is that I'm going to do here is I'm going to impersonate as Joe employee, and let's see whether he got the message. Now you can see I have been logged in as Joe employee. And here you can see that he has got one message. And this has been from Muhammad Irfan. And you can see, I do any update on this incident. Please let me know if you have solved this specific issue. And if he is going to reply saying that Irfan, I'm working on it. We'll update you once I'm done with it. Okay, so you can able to use it as an internal messenger. And if I'm going to end the impersonation, I'll be going back to my instance, and you can see one message from Joe. Okay, so you can able to have the conversations directly over here. So if you want to have conversation with Abraham Lincoln, you can able to have. Okay, all the conversations will be added over here, and you can able to filter it according to needs. Okay, and it has the option to create a group as well. If you want to create a group and if you want to add the individuals in it, you can able to do that. Okay, imagine that if you are going to click on the plus icon and let me start a group saying that I want to add to employee I want to add John Adams. I want to add Rebecca. Okay, I want to add Miller, and then I want to add Abraham Lincoln, and